Hmm.
Sabay si Ashley, activist kasi siya dito, di ba?
Yes, parang
Okay,
ganun.
okay. Alright.
Hello.
Welcome to the parang 60s and
60s. Ang
70s.
ganda ng
It
set.
suits you. It suits you.
Really, thank you. Ganda ng
Yeah.
set actually.
Parang na-overhear ko kanina, a man of ano ka pala, old soul. Na nakikinig ka ng mga Frank Sinatra.
Yes, mahilig po ako. Mahilig po ako sa mga classics, mga standards. Frank Sinatra,
Wow.
ganun.
So, when you learned about this being a period film, what came into your mind?
Well, it was um, I got excited kasi syempre period film siya and it was a challenge din for me kasi how can I imagine or internalize myself from the 60s. So, yun, I immersed myself on watching mga Filipino movies or reading the script more para at least mas maano ko. Yun.
Sino si Efren?
Ako si Efren Taguyonon, isang rookie officer ng Manila's Finest.
Wow. And
Yes.
you know, this is such a pivotal story to tell this Christmas season, especially with everything that's happening. Ano yung ano no, what research did you do to get into, the character of the Manila's Finest?
Siyempre, I had to read the script para mas maintindihan ko yung nangyayaring mga sitwasyon. And parang na-realize ko nga na yung mga nangyayari noon nung 60s, which is yung politics, yung corruption,
Oo.
gangs, it's matagal na pala nangyayari yun. And it's very timely ngayon kasi nangyayari pa rin siya ngayon, especially now, di ba? Politics, corruption. So, very timely yung Manila's Finest, especially in today's generation. So, it's a
Have,
nice film. It would open your mind, your heart to...
how many days have you been on set? Tapos nun, how was the experience? Sino na mga naka-eksena mo?
Ang naka-eksena ko si Papa P,
Oh my God,
si
oo.
Paolo,
Okay.
Papa P, si Paolo, and there was this co-actor. His name is Dylan.
Mm-mm.
Dylan
Ay,
din pangalan niya. Si
nice.
Dylan. Shout out sa'yo, Dylan. And actually, one day pa lang ako.
Oh.
Pero, wala, I felt like I was on the 60s talaga kasi ang ganda ng production design, ang ganda ng set design. Mga lumang kotse, tapos lumang signages, tapos mga uniforms namin, very 60s,
Ang
70s.
ganda.
So, ang ganda. Talaga naka-uniform kami talaga.
Ay, how was it na ka-eksena sila, Paolo? I know they're really your friends off
Yeah,
camera. And then,
yes.
Papa P.
Well, actually, first time namin ni Paolo na mag-movie talaga.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was, and first day pa lang. So parang, di ko pa rin masabi, pero it's different talaga from a series. Mas longer yung takes for a movie. Mas precise dapat, mas specific. Kung ano yung gusto talaga ng director, hahanapin talaga ng director yun. And si Papa P, sobrang bait niya. As in,
Grabe.
sobrang grabe. Very down to earth and very helpful din sa amin ni Paolo. Nakikipagkwentuhan siya sa amin.
That's good.
And I actually asked him a few questions kasi na-curious ako eh. Like,
Oo.
he's been in the industry for so long. So, I've asked for advice, tips, and kung ano yung mga pinaka-challenging movies na nagawa niya. Yung mga ganong klaseng tanong. And he was very open. He was very...
Ang galing.
Ang galing. He was very... Ang bait niya. Ang bait ni Kuya Piolo.
And not only that, tawag mo dito, di ba, Enrique also said the first time niya ka makatrabaho si Piolo. So, parang ang ganda lang nung set na to, na all the creatives are, with all the greats that we have, like
Correct.
Joey, Romnick,
Sir Romnick,
yeah.
yes po, Sir
Diba?
Romnick.
Parang naka-Ariel.
Yes.
It's just something to really look forward to. Pero actually, speaking of yung mga paghahanda mo, I believe kaya one day ka pa lang sa set because you have Loki, you have
Yes.
Vibe,
Yes
everything's
po.
going on. You'll have Awit Awards.
Yeah, very
How are you
soon.
balancing your time?
Wow. Actually, I don't really know.
Yun nga
Pero
kasi parang you're one of the busiest this year. Diba? No, I mean, it's a blessing.
It's
In
a blessing
songs, 2
naman.
songs
Yes,
this
yes,
year.
yes. Well, how I manage siguro time management talaga eh. I mean, I have to also take time to rest kasi kung walang rest talaga, hindi ko makakaisip na maayos. So I take it one step at a time, one event at a time, one project at a time. Pero since nagsasabay-sabay, I have to set specific time frames for that specific
But I've
project.
been hearing good feedback from Prod that how hard you work. Na,
Talaga
oo.
ba?
Pero alam ko nagkasakit ka rin, di ba?
Oo, nagkasakit ako
Oo, parang
recently.
bumigay ka. Recently, naalala ko yun
Oh.
na you've been bitten by the flu.
Yes, actually last week.
Oo.
Until now actually, pero
Ayan.
I'm slowly recovering.
Oo.
Yeah, it's been a tough week. It's been a tough week.
Yeah, but a blessed year.
Yes,
So
very
how would
much,
you
very much.
sum it up? And what do you still want to do for 2026?
Well, first of all, I'm very thankful to my management, TV5, Media Quest, Stages. Kasi grabe yung tiwala, grabe yung trust nila sa akin to be part of the projects na binibigay nila sa akin. And, you know, it's my responsibility, it's my duty to always give my
Oo.
best, show my best. Diba? Para, tulungan kami. Win-win, maging win-win
Oo.
situation yung managements. And, yun, I'm looking forward to more more projects and more growth, more learnings this coming 2026.
Because Loki is launching. After that, it's gonna be crazy year. Diba?
Yes,
This
yes,
is
yes,
launching.
yes,
It's
yes,
gonna
yes.
be like, it's just gonna be more fast-paced.
Fast-paced na talaga.
Yeah.
So,
And sorry for Awit Awards lang. What are you gonna be doing? Ano yung...
we'll be hosting kami ng mga Vibe Jocks for Awit Awards. It's coming this November.
17 parang
November
ganyan.
17 parang
Oo,
ganun.
ish.
So malapit na.
Oo.
Malapit na. And it's ano yun eh, talagang inaabangan ng Awit Awards eh.
Oo.
Tagal na ng Awit Awards. So it's a very big event, special event, which will happen in Meralco Theater. Yeah, so isa ako sa mga host for Awit
Yeah,
Awards.
I just want to commend the Vibe Jocks because when this started, we were like, what is Vibe? Diba tayo? Parang,
Yes.
what is it? I'm sure when you guys were tapped as hosts, but now Spotify's in it,
Yeah, grabe.
Filipino Music Awards, and it's just not even 6 months, tama
I
ba?
know.
I mean,
Yes,
right?
ang dami ng collaborations
Oo.
and I'm just very happy for Vibe kasi it's hindi slowly, it's mabilis
Oo,
na
medyo
it's
wild.
growing eh. So I'm happy for the Vibe community and syempre salamat sa mga Vs natin na nanonood. Sana mas tumagal pa tayo and sana mas mabigyan pa ng attention kasi it's a very very nice platform for the OPM
And
artists.
imagine mo, Monday to Sunday.
'Di ba? Monday to Sunday, 'di ba? Na nagkakaroon ng exposure sa mga arts, crafts ng Filipino artists natin. So, it's a very good platform to promote OPM, 'di ba?
Would you say you're really the busiest kapatid this year?
Feel ko madami rin
Ish.
namang
Oo,
busy,
totoo.
pero personally this has been
Oo.
my busiest year. Yeah. So, I'm very happy, very thankful.
Ano regalo mo sa self mo?
Wala pa eh. Wala pa.
Ba't pag tinatanong ko lahat, hindi nyo alam ko
Hindi
ano yung
ko
regalo?
din
Sobrang
alam.
busy, hindi mo
Oo.
alam. Nakakatuwa.
Pahinga, okay na yun.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Saan
much.
kayo? Parang this, are you gonna go to the Halloween party?